Good day everyone. Now, we will present our analysis with Lazada app using HCI principle. Let's start with the learnability principle. We can see that this app has a clear layout, minimal design, and has a gradual introduction of its feature. Aside from that, they added a help feature which is found on the settings in the account section. This provides a guide on the new users for how to use the app. For the efficiency principle, we can see that we can switch to the different sections of the app easily. Let's say that we want to buy the items added to our cart. We will just simply press the cart icon effortlessly. Aside from that, we can also specify the item we want through the search bar. It helps the user find their item with ease.
For the memorability principle, Lazada app have a harmony in terms of its icons. The logo, color scheme, and typography are recognizable, which reinforce the memory of the user through repeated exposure. Consistent placement of design in the menu also help the user to find things. Lastly, clear formatting aids recall of specific product details or app functionalities. In the error prevention principle, fields that require specific formats provide a real-time feedback to prevent invalid entries. Important actions like placing an order or deleting an item requires confirmation to avoid accidental mistakes. Universally understood icons minimize the need for memorization and prevent misinterpretation. Last is the satisfaction principle. It has a wide product selection and competitive prices, accurate product description, and high-quality images. Visually appealing design and easy-to-use interface, and customer reviews and ratings, and flexible payment options and clear pricings is also included.